Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making Valentine's Day chocolate. So we have this mold and we have this candy bar mold that I got from Michael's. And let's see. How about I do the pink and you do the red for the hearts. Okay, so we're going to be making it. We have our built-in candy melt warmer bought from Michael's. Try not to make a mess here. Okay, so after you're done, you want to give it a little tap. And I'm going to put these in the fridge or the freezer for about 10 minutes. That's 5 minutes space. Okay, give it a little tap on the bottom. Alright, we're going to put that in. Got it. Okay. Yeah, the silicone molds can be very movable, so it can be easily But these been in there for a little bit, so you just want to pop them out. Yes. I don't know why that has a spot on it. Okay, so show them what they look like. Ooh, look how beautiful those look. Okay, so that's probably chocolate.
Yeah.
So Brittany is gonna grab the sleeves, the lollipop sleeves and the lollipop ties, and we're gonna put them in. Again, you can buy most of these materials from Michael's. Make sure you use that coupon. Save 40% or 20% off. And I'm just going to tie it. Tie it around like that. And then, and then can you do the others? Can you do the sleeves while I tie this one? And I think I'm gonna put some more. Or maybe not. I don't know. We did most of the molds. So. Oh, you had extra chocolate?
Mm-hmm.
Girl. We're gonna
you want to make some more?
We're gonna fill these ones real quick. So fill those in for me, Brittany. I know you're good at being a chocolatier today. So fill those in. This is a full one. Shoot, oh, you're fine. Sorry, and you can take dig like that. Because you really want that base to be strong.
Oh.
It's just gonna fall off. Okay. Like this. That. Put this back in. So this is what we have. Some pink lollipops. Okay, so these are our lovely creations. And let me zoom in on this one so you can read the candy bar, what the candy bar says. But that's what the candy bar looks like. But alright. Let me zoom out.
Did you want me to unplug that?
Yeah. Alright, we want to thank you for watching, and just to let you know, if you don't have a Valentine, because neither of us have a Valentine and we're gorgeous women as you see, so always make Valentine's Day, spread the love, you know, go to the spa or do something for you, get your nails done, your hair done, get a massage, you know, make some Valentine's Day chocolate like we did, but we're Valentines, so y'all have a good Valentine's Day. Love you. Bye. Let me lift it up.
Dang it, I got some icing on my shirt. So today we're going to be making chocolate.
Okay,
Brittany and Jenny's chocolate cafe.
We're chocolatiers today. Okay, so let's bring this in the middle.
Sorry, I'm bad.
Yeah, she's gonna hit me with the door, guys.
My bad.
Okay, so with these, you can just take the silicone. Ooh, hold on, this one, that.
I'm sorry. Oh my god.
Guys, we are not the best chocolatiers for this by any means. Okay.
Oh, this one's.
Is that one fully?
This one in there.
Sorry about that, guys. Make sure you leave them in there. Let's see. Because you definitely want. I'll pop.
Oh, Jesus.
Okay, yep.
Right.
Let's keep them in there a little longer.
Too late, you already broke that one.
Okay, but there's still others. We'll leave the others in there so they don't become broken. But the lollipops should hopefully be good. Hopefully I don't mess these up.